Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata generation between year 2009 and year 2015, and if your fuel door where you put gasoline guys or diesel, whatever you have guys, the fuel door, the fuel cap doesn't open, we will explain guys where to find the fuse for that. You actually have two fuses, make sure you stay until the end. One of them is very hidden guys. Before we start, let me tell you something. If you need to buy any fuses, parts, tools, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. And on this channel you will be able to find the electrical videos on that Hyundai Sonata. Now if you want to see how to fix anything on the engine, taking the car apart, transmission, mechanical part, they will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. On this channel we have helped more than 100 million people guys, so check it out, subscribe, we'll have very helpful information as well. So with that being said guys, you need to open your hood. Under your hood, okay, right here, let me show you, you have a fuse box. It will be closed like that. You have one tab right here that you need to press in and one on this side, and you do that, okay, and you pull the box up. Once you pull the box, you have guys, okay, one fuse puller right here, squish like that, pull it out. Now we need to go inside actually, okay, to be able to find, okay, the fuse for the trunk lid on that Hyundai Sonata. Excuse me, for the fuel door lid right here. So why I'm saying that, okay, because it's under a different name. So we're going to go right here. Those are the replacement fuses that we have guys and all that stuff. So if you want to see where you can get them for a really good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, and you can get the whole assembly for amazingly low price. Pull that fuse box here and remove it like that. Now checking it this way guys, okay, this is the fuse box now, right? And what we're needing now, okay, we need to find the third fuse on the very left side, okay, from top to bottom. So you have guys, okay, fuse number 1, 2, 3. This 10 amp fuse, this is the fuse that we need. So what we're going to do, we'll get the fuse puller, okay, and I'm going to just switch hands quick so I can do it. Put it on top of the fuse and pull it out. Okay, and our fuse guys came out, okay, you can see it like that. After that, okay, you get the replacement one, and all we have to do, just make sure it goes good, okay, and reposition it, okay, insert the new fuse. Don't forget to close your lid now. We're done here, then you have one more fuse that could be. Okay, and I'm going to explain about that. We're going to go outside. Okay, and under that lid guys, okay, that's where things get a little bit interesting. You have a second fuse that can control the fuel door as well. You have that huge mega fuse, okay, it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fuses. And the second fuse from right to left, the second fuse right here, 60 amp fuse, that's known as B3 plus, B plus 3 fuse, B plus 3 fuse. Okay, this second one right here, it's actually the one, okay, controlling the thing too. When you look through the glass, you can see if it's good or bad most of the times. If you're not sure how you test those, you will need to disconnect the car battery. Okay, and on modern vehicles it really matters which battery you disconnect and reconnect first, because if you don't do it the correct way, what will happen? You can burn engine computers, modules. We've done that, cost us $2,000. So I'll put a link to a video that explains how to properly disconnect car battery. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you do that, remove guys that nut, and you have one notch holding that fuse box down, so pull it this way and pull the box out. Then you need to place the voltmeter to check the fuses to make sure that you have connection between this post and the post for that fuse as well. If you have connection, it's a good fuse. If you don't have connection, it's a burn fuse. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.